Okay, lay down for a moment and relax. And breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. And breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. And relax. While you imagine that you are laying on an airbed in the middle of an ocean. No land in sight, just you, your airbed, and the ocean, and the sky above. And you feel completely relaxed. Can you see yourself laying there on this airbed in the middle of the vast ocean? Water on all sides. Is it a calm ocean, peaceful and smooth? Or is it a restless ocean, waves rocking you up and down, making you feel a bit nauseous, perhaps? Be truly aware about how you feel, laying here on this airbed, in this vast ocean and its movements. And feel all at ease. The ocean will take care of you. The airbed will keep you safe. Just enjoy the gentle rocking and relax while you float in this vast space of water. And you feel relaxed now and your thoughts wander off about how it would feel to be a fully integrated part of this ocean. How it would feel to be like a drop of water being part of this vast ocean. And you realize yourself, there are no separated drops of water in this ocean. There is only unity that merges all drops into the vastness of the ocean. No separated drops that do not wish to be a part of this fluid unity, this ocean. And you realize yourself, drops are only formed when some amount of water is separated from the ocean. When it evaporates into the air, forms clouds and drops fall down again like rain. When waves clash upon the shores, leaving water on the rocks, the beaches, leaving drops of water behind. Can you see the unity of the ocean, this eternal water mass, is only disrupted by external causes. External causes that lets drops of ocean being separated from unity. What happens next is that these drops of separation only have one purpose in the end: to return back to the unity of ocean. Raindrops eventually flow back into the ocean after they have watered nature, plants, animals, humans, rivers, streams, life. and they return to the vastness of ocean. Waves clashed upon the shore will always find their way back to the unity of ocean. It's the force of nature. It cannot be different. The moment a drop gets separated from the unity of ocean, its only driving force is to return to unity of ocean. Feeding environment while it's on its way back home. Now imagine the whole of humanity being this vast ocean of unity it's supposed to be. You are an integrated part of this ocean, humanity, thinking to be a separated drop in this same ocean. Your identity, the label that you have put upon yourself, the group of people you belong to, family, country, the label that you have put upon yourself, your ego, your experiences, your pain or your love, is merely thinking that you are a separated drop or group of drops, floating apart from the unity of the vastness of the ocean. Because you feel misunderstood and lonely, you try to find safety in separating yourself, to identify yourself, to label yourself as a separate drop in this ocean. You are like water in the ocean that evaporated into a drop, that went to become a cloud only to rain down again, like your tears that come falling down from feeling lonely, separated from unity. And when you rain down, you try to find a purpose in life, to feed or water or support your environment. But in the end, all you want is to go home to the unity of ocean. Now I want to ask you to focus on your body. How does it feel? Feel it for a moment, how it feels right now. And then remember how your body feels in the usual reality you are living in. Do you feel the difference? Just imagine your body consists mainly out of water. Water, a collection of separated drops separated from the vast unity of ocean. Like drops on a journey with only one goal in the end, to return to the unity of ocean, of home. I would like you to envision a drop of water. Just picture a drop of water in your fantasy. And imagine this drop of water being a cell in your body. One of the huge amounts of cells in your body. And imagine this cell being a drop of water. And your whole body is filled with these drops, these cells. These cells inside your body. Drops, as you wish. These cells inside your body, these drops, are on a mission. To water you, to feed you, to keep you alive. Like raindrops that feed and water nature, Mother Nature. And while being on this mission, they feel the irresistible urge to reconnect once again with the unity of the whole ocean. Their whole existence has in the end one goal: to reunite with all other drops and become one with ocean again. But like drops of water trying to get back to the ocean, the path is filled with obstacles and submissions along the way. Drops have to make a long journey before being reunited with unity of ocean, the unity of home. Just like yourselves, like ourselves, have to overcome obstacles before being able to reunite with unity again. Obstacles like worries, doubts, anxiety. Obstacles like the illusion of being separate identity, like the illusion of being safe as a separate drop, resisting unification. Afraid of acceptance, afraid of self-acceptance and surrender to the irresistible force, the call of home, of unity, of ocean. And we feel this force urging us to come home, to lift the noise of thoughts separating us from the ocean, the vastness of love. Afraid to let go, afraid to continue our path to go home again. But like gravity attracts us to earth, love is attracting us to the unity of home. Only being distracted by fear. Fear, imagine fear as just another form of love. Love is the ocean, the vastness, the unity, our home. And fear is nothing more and nothing less than waves in this same ocean. Waves caused by disturbance, wind, tides, moon or sun. Like emotional waves are caused by difficult circumstances, obstacles, incidents and accidents, diseases, memories, all in your personal life. They are just waves, trying to escape the ocean, trying to get away from the upset feeling of love while being afraid. Trying to deny being a part of ocean of love, of unity, because of pain, seemingly contradicting love. Still, every wave, even when turned into escaping drops, will eventually feel the irresistible force to return back home to unity. So if you ever again feel the urge to separate yourself from ocean, please remember you are a drop undergoing the circumstances that make you feel separated from the ocean. But in the end you want to return. You feel this in every cell of your body. You want to return. And the only thing that delays this return is your resistance. Not accepting, not surrendering to this force that can be delayed but can not be beaten. Eventually you will come home, back to unity, back to the ocean where you belong. Because everything inside your body, mind and soul longs for unity, not separation. Not separation and loneliness by being misunderstood. Drop your defense, drop your resistance, drop into acceptance and surrender to the flow that will bring your drop, like a river flowing to the ocean, back home.